Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you another grill recipe, and this is a chicken that we wrap and bake it and we grill it, and it's delicious because the bacon grease kind of soaks into the chicken when you cook it, and it's literally so phenomenal. I'm so excited to share it with you. We just serve it with potatoes that we cook on the grill, but you can of course do this with rice, with pasta, quinoa, whatever you want, or just eat them by themselves because they're that delicious. So I'm excited to share it with you. As always, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give us a big thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Alright guys, bye!
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. Just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna